So, you want to become a full-stack developer in 2025? Here's the truth. The demand for full-stack devs has exploded, but so has the confusion. Do you learn React first? Or Python? Or both? In this video, I'll give you the exact roadmap to go from zero to full stack, step by step, with all the tools I personally recommend in 2025. So if you're serious about mastering full-stack development this year, stay till the end. I've got a bonus tip at the roadmap section that most beginners miss. Let's start with the basics. What does full stack even mean? A full stack developer is someone who can build an entire web app, from what users see on the screen, front end, to what happens behind the scenes, back end. It's not about being an expert in everything. It's about knowing enough of both sides to bring an idea to life. Now, choosing your stack is where most people get stuck. Let's make it simple. You only need one language for backend, one for frontend, and one database to start. Here are 3 modern stack combos that are killing it in 2025. 1. MERN stack. MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js. 2. T3 stack. Next.js, Prisma, TypeScript. 3. Django plus React, perfect for Python lovers. Pick one and stick to it for at least 3 months. Don't jump around, because consistency is what gets you hired. Before you go deep, you need strong foundations. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yes, they still matter in 2025. Even with frameworks like React and Next.js, these are the core building blocks of the web. Frontend is all about what users see and interact with. Learn React or Next.js for modern projects. Practice by cloning real websites, not tutorials. Try making your own portfolio or a small dashboard. That's how you'll actually learn. Now, backend. This is where your app thinks. Here you'll deal with databases, APIs, and authentication. Popular choices? Node.js with Express, Django with Python, or Fast API if you love speed. You don't need to be a server admin. Just learn how to handle requests, connect to databases, and send responses. Tools are your productivity superpower. Here are the must-haves in 2025. VS Code, still the #1 code editor. Git and GitHub, version control is a must. Postman, test your APIs easily. Docker, for deployment and testing. Learn to use these early. They'll save you hours every week. Every web app needs a place to store data. Start with MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Both are great for beginners. Learn CRUD operations. Create, read, update, delete. That's the foundation of every app. Once your app works locally, you need to show it to the world. Platforms like Vercel, Render, or Railway make deployment super easy. And if you want to go professional, learn Docker and CI/CD pipelines on GitHub Actions. All right, here's your roadmap. 1. Core Web, HTML, CSS, JS. 2. Frontend Framework. 3. Backend Framework. 4. Database. 5. Tools plus deployment. 6. Build projects. If you follow this for 3 to 6 months, you'll be way ahead of most beginners. And remember, don't just learn, build. Every project you finish is proof of your skills. If you found this roadmap helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which stack you'll start with.